So the Maximax approach, or the optimistic approach, we choose the alternative with the best possible payoff. So it's like best of the best. We choose the alternative with the best payoff possible. We choose the best of the best. That is the Maximax, best of the best. So here, when we look at the bonds, the best payoff for bonds was 45. So 45. Then for stocks was 70. For mutual funds it was 53. This is bonds, this is stocks, this is mutual funds, like that. So these were the best payoffs. So since we said Maximax is the best of the best, so in this theory we choose what is best, and the best is 70. So 70 is the best of the best. So we choose stocks. Our decision here will be to invest in stocks, like that. Yeah. Then the next approach is the maximini. Maximini approach. And here, this approach maximizes the minimum payoffs. So here we choose the best of the worst. You first choose the worst, then you choose the best of the worst. So according to here, according to bonds, the worst option is 5. So 5. According to stocks, it is -13. So -13. According to mutual funds, it's -5. So -5, like that. This is bond, stocks, and then mutual funds. So we choose the best of the worst. So this is the worst. Then we choose the best of the worst. So the best of the worst here, it is 5. So the decision will be to invest in bonds. Invest in bonds, like that. Then we go to the Minimax. Minimax, or the regret approach. So this one maximizes the maximum regret. So regret is also known as opportunity loss. So how do we get regret? We get regret by getting the best payoff the best payoff minus the payoff received. Yeah, so we are going to be considering all the states of the economy, when the economy is growing, when the economy is stable, then when the economy is declining. So we shall start when the economy is growing. We have bonds, we have stocks, then we have mutual funds, like that. So the best payoff here when the economy is growing is 70. So that is our best payoff. So for bonds, we said how do we get regret is best payoff, which is 70 minus the payoff received. Payoff received for bonds is 40. So 70 minus 40 equals to 30. Then for stocks, it is 70 minus the actual payoff is still 70. So minus 70 equals to 0. So for mutual funds, it is 70 minus 43. So 70 minus 53, sorry. 70 minus 53 is 17. So when the economy is growing, if we invest in bonds, the regret will be 30. If we invest in stocks, the regret will be 0. If we invest in mutual funds, the regret will be 17. So that's how we get the regret. Then when the economy is stable, we have bonds, we have stocks, then we have mutual funds. So when the economy is stable, the best payoff is 45. So 45. How do we get regret? For bonds, best payoff minus the payoff received. So 45 minus 45. So the regret is 0. Then for stocks, 45 minus 30. The regret is 15. Then for mutual funds, 45 minus 45. 45 minus 45, the regret is 0. So when the economy is stable, when you invest in bonds, there is no regret. Invest in mutual funds, no regret. Invest in stocks, the regret is 15. Then when we invest in a declining economy, when the economy is declining, we have bonds, we have stocks, and we have mutual funds. So we choose the best payoff in a declining economy. It is 5. So 5 minus 5 equals to 0, which is no regret. Then for stocks, 5 minus negative 13, which becomes a plus. So plus 13, it is 18. Then for mutual funds, it is 5 plus 5, which is 10. So in a declining economy, if you invest in bonds, no regret. Invest in stocks, the regret is 18. Invest in mutual funds, the regret is 10. So that is the Minimax approach, or the regret approach. Then after that, we draw the regret table. Regret table, we have the alternatives. Growing, stable, and then declining, like that. So bonds, stocks, then mutual funds. So we just bring these regrets here. When the economy is growing, we have 30, 0, then 17. So 30, 0, 17. Here we have 0, 15, then 0. Then declining, we have 0, 18, then 10. Like that. Then we shall have to choose the minimum regret. We have to choose the minimum regret for bonds, stocks, and then mutual funds. We have to first choose the maximum regret. The maximum regret of each of these, then we choose the minimum. So for bonds, the maximum regret is 30. For stocks, maximum regret is 18. Then for mutual funds, the maximum regret is 17. So these are the three. Then we choose the minimum of these three. The minimum of these three is this. So using the Minimax approach or the regret decision or the regret approach, the decision will be to invest in mutual funds. Thanks for watching.